this video, we are to return the first character of string A added to the last character of string B if both of the length is not equal to 0. But if both of the length is equal to 0, then we use the @ sign to replace them. So we're going to start off by checking if both of the string length is equal to 0. So if a.length is equal to 0, and also b.length is also equal to 0, then we're going to return two of the @ signs. And else if it's only a.length that's equal to 0, then we're going to return one of the @ signs plus the last character of string b, so b.substring, and then b.length minus 1. And then else if it's only b.length that's equal to 0, in that case, we're going to return the first character of string a, so return a.substring, 0, 1, plus one of the @ signs. And then else, so if both of the string length does not equal to 0, then we return the first character of string a, and then add it to the last character of string b. And that will be the solution.